married in 4 days, but the time is passing too slowly. I want to marry you today.
Don't worry, the days will pass quickly. Soon we'll be husband and wife.
I'll try to be patient, but everyone must start celebrating our wedding today. Go into the city and tell the citizens that the next 4 days will be festive days. There must be parties and celebrations every day.
I hope that you were, my lord.
I am. How are you?
I'm very angry with my daughter Hermia. Demetrius has my consent to marry her, but Hermia doesn't want. Lysander captured her heart when he sung under the window, wrote love poems, and gave her presents. Now, Hermia wants Lysander and not Demetrius. But the law says that he says to obey me.
What do you say, Hermia? You know that you have to obey your father's wishes. Demetrius is a good, noble man.
Yes, my lord, but Lysander is also a good noble man.
You are right, he is. But your father prefers Demetrius, so you must marry him.
My father should look at Lysander with my eyes.
No, you should look at the situation with your father's eyes.
My lord, what will happen if I don't marry Demetrius?
You'll have to choose between execution or a convent for the rest of your life.
Then I choose to go to a convent and be a nun for the rest of my life.
Don't decide so quickly. The day of my wedding, you'll have to decide between execution, Demetrius' execution, or being a nun for the rest of your life.
Please, Hermia, change your mind and marry me. And you, Lysander, stop trying to take Hermia from me.
Demetrius, you've got father's Hermia's love. I want Hermia's love.
Lysander, listen to me. You are right. I love Demetrius as a son. What is mine is also his.
Theseus, I'm as attractive, as a noble, and as rich as Demetrius, and I've got Hermia's love. Why can't I marry her? Demetrius got another lady love. Some time ago he captured the heart of Hermia's friend, Helena. Then he decided that it was in love with her. Poor Helena is still in love. Can't you see, Theseus? Demetrius is not a constant man.
Hermia, you have to decide. You know what 2 options are. Your other 2 options are. Come with me. Let's talk about our wedding plans.
Don't cry, Hermia. It's a solution to our problem. I have a rich aunt near Athens. She considers me her son. We can get married in her house, because the law of Athens can control us there. Leave your father's house at night. We meet in the wood outside the city. Do you remember? We were there with Helena. I'll wait for you.
Yes, I remember it. I'll be there, my love. How are you, Helena? I'm suffering because Demetrius is in love with you. What did you do to capture his heart, Hermia? I didn't do anything. On the contrary, he knows that I detest him, but he continues to follow me. I love him, but he continues to detest me. Don't worry. Don't worry. He'll never see me again. Lysander and I are living at Athens.
Well, I'll tell you our plan. Hermia and I are leaving Athens this night. It's the only option to be together.
We're going to meet in the woods and then live here forever. Pray for us. Goodbye, dear friends.
I hope that Demetrius learns to love as much you love him. Goodbye, Helena.
I'm going to tell Demetrius about Hermia and Lysander's plan. I know that he'll follow them into the wood tomorrow night. Then he'll understand that Hermia will never love him and he'll return to me.
At 1 Scene 2. You are all here because, in my opinion, you are the best men in Athens to perform an act for the Duke and his wedding night.
Well, tell us the name of the play, and then tell us which roles we're going to play.
The play is called The Most Lamented Comedy and the Most Cruelly Death of Pyramus and Thisbe.
A very good play. Now, tell us our role.
You will play Pyramus.
Is Pyramus a lover or a tyrann?
He's a lover. He killed himself for love.
Then I make the audience cry. Then tell us the other rules.
Flute, you will play Thisbe.
Who is Thisbe? Is he a dude or a kid?
No, she's a lady. Pyramus love her.
I can play a woman. I have a bear.
That's not important. You will wear a mask.
I want to wear a mask and play Thebes. Listen to my interpretation.
Oh, Pyramus, my love.
No, Boto, you must play Pyramus and Flute will play Thisbe.
Alright, then continue.
Snoot will play a wolf. Snow will play a lion. And Strawberry will play the moon.
Please give me the lion dialogue immediately because it's difficult for me to memorize things.
Don't worry, you only have to roar.
Then let me play the lions too. I can roar better than anybody. The Duke will hear me and say, he must roar again.
You will roar too well, Boto. You will find all the noble ladies and they will start to scream especially. The Duke will execute us if you play the lion.
You're right. If I frighten the ladies too much, the Duke will execute us. Don't worry. I roar quietly like a bear.
No, Boto. You must play Pyramus because he's a very attractive man and you are the most attractive man here.
Alright then, I will play Pyramus. What colors bear should I use for the roles? Yellow, purple, black?
Your face is too attractive to cover with a mask. Don't use one. Please learn your part for tomorrow night, gentlemen. We will meet in the wood outside the town to rehearse there secretly. No one must learn about our production and copy us. Goodbye until tomorrow night, my friends.
Act 2, Scene 1. What are you doing here, Fairy?
I'm preparing this area for Titania, the queen of the fairies. She's planning to sleep here tonight.
But my master, Oberon, is the queen of the fairies. He sleep tonight.
Oh no, Titania is at the promise.
I'm not happy to see you, Titania. I'm still very angry with you.
And I don't want to see you, Oberon. Goodbye.
Wait! Am I not your husband and lord?
Yes, but you are not being nice to me, and I don't want to be with you. Remember that the people of the earth aren't suffering while we together. The two of us control nature while we together. Now, the weather is changing all the time. Plants and vegetables aren't growing. Animals are dying and people are hungry.
You can solve everything easily. Give me the blue boy and I'll be happy.
I can do that, Oberon. The boy is very special to me because he's son of my favorite companion. And she died when he was born, and I promised to raise him.
How long will you stay in this wood?
I stayed until Decius' wedding. Don't be angry anymore and spend this night here with me, Oberon.
Give me the boy and I'll be with you.
You know that's impossible. I can do that. Come on, fairies. I don't want to spend 1 minute with Oberon.
But you must find and grow a special purple flower. The flower is called love in waiting. If you put some juice in a sleeping person's eyelids, they will fall in love with the first person or animal they see when they wake. Find one of these flowers and bring it to me quickly.
Yes, master. In circle of the world in 40 minutes, this flower for you.
I put some of the love juice on Titania's eyelids. Then I make sure that she sees an ugly animal, like an ass. Then I make her for the boy, and she give it to me. I give her the antidote to the love juice. She never. She was so happy that I told her that she won't remember the boy. What noise? People are coming. Who are they? I become invisible to listen at them.
Stop following me. I don't love you. I'm trying to find Hermia. She's meeting Lysander here. That you told me. I'm being honest with you. I can't love you because I love Hermia.
Yes, and that makes me love you more. I follow you everywhere like your dog.
Stop that. I feel when I look at you.
And I feel it when I don't look at you.
I don't want to see you anymore. Leave this place. I heard you. You follow me.
I don't care if you hurt me, Demetrius. It will be an honor.
Good luck, sweet woman. I promise you that Demetrius will soon fall in love with you. But did you find the flower?
Yes, pretty.
I know where Titania is sleeping. I put some of the love juice on her eyes. Now, you must take some of the love juice and search for a sweet Athenian lady. He is in love with a horrible young man called Demetrius. You know who he is because he is wearing Athenian clothes. Then meet me here again.
Don't worry, my lord. I'll do exactly as you say.
Act 2, Scene 2. I rest here. Fairy, sing me a song so that I can fall asleep. La, 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 la.
You'll fall in love with the first thing you see. I order you to wake only when there is an ugly creature close to you.
Hermia, you look tired. Let's sleep until the morning. It will be easier travel in the daylight.
Okay, but you must find another place to sleep. I sleep.
We should sleep together.
No, Lysander. I think we should sleep apart.
Okay.
Don't sleep near me.
Okay, I move away. I'm going to sleep until the tree. Sleep well, my darling Hermia.
I searched the entire forest and didn't find any Athenian. Wait, who is here? This young man is wearing Athenian clothes, and a young woman is sleeping near him. My master asked me to find these people, and they're here. Now I miss two of them.
Please, stay with me, Demetrius.
Stop following me, Elena.
Please, don't leave me here. I can't run anymore. I'm very tired. I was here for a minute. Oh, who's that on that ground? Lysander? Is he there? I can't see any blood. Oh, please, wake up, Lysander.
Demetrius, where is Demetrius? I want to kill him because he treated you so badly.
Don't say that. I know that he wants Hermia, but she loves you.
I'm not happy with Hermia. I don't love her. I love you.
You're being serious. You are playing a bad joke on me. You seem to be a gentleman, but you are not.
Don't wake up, Hermia. I don't want to see you again. You make me ill. I love Helena. I must be with him.
Lysander, where is he? I had a bad dream. Lysander, I must find him. Lysander.
Act 3, Scene 1. Are we all here?
This is a marvelous place to rehearse or play. Let's begin.
Wait a minute, wait.
What is important?
In my opinion, the audience won't like some things in this play. For example, Pyramus must kill himself with a dagger. The ladies in the audience will be frightened. How can we solve this?
In my opinion, Pyramus mustn't kill himself.
I've got a better idea. Let's write a prologue. In the prologue, I'll explain that the dragon won't really hurt me. Pyramus doesn't really kill himself, and I'm not really Pyramus, I'm Bottom. Then the ladies won't be frightened.
Good idea. We'll do that. We'll have a prologue, but I want to say it. I haven't got a role.
In my opinion, the lion will frighten the ladies. We must have another prologue and explain that the lion isn't really a lion.
Good idea. We'll do that. Now, let's rehearse. Pyramus is the first person to speak.
These two big men are rehearsing a play near sleeping fairy queens. I will watch and see if they are good actors.
Stand there, Thisbe. Speak, Pyramus.
Thisbe, my sweet Thisbe. Wait, I hear a noise. Stay here, I'll return soon.
This Pyramus is very strange. This Pyramus is very strange. I will change this man into an ugly creature. He will be the first thing the fairy sees when she wakes.
Do I speak now?
Yes, people must know that you're waiting for Pyramus to return.
Oh, sweet Pyramus, I'm waiting for you.
My heart is yours, Thisbe.
Ah, what's happening? Now, the bottom is no one us. Run, escape, help!
I will follow this stupid man around the wood, and I will frighten them. I will become various dangerous animals. This will be fun.
Why are they frightened of me? Perhaps they're playing a joke on me to make me feel frightened. But I'll stay here and sing loudly. They'll see that I'm not frightened. La 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 la.
That was beautiful. Please sing again. I love how you sing, and I love you too. Please stay with me always. My fairies will attend to you and give you lovely presents. Fairies, come to me. You must be all kind with this beautiful man and give him everything he wants.
Actually, scene 2. What did I tell you when she wrote?
She's so ugly as and now she's in love with him. A really stupid man where Christina Pena which she's there. And when the most stupid one exited, I followed him and gave him an answer. When he returned, the other actors became frightened and ran from him. When he was alone, Titania was, and now she looks alone.
Better than what I was expecting. Did you find the young Athena and give him the love?
Yes, I did. The Athenian woman was sleeping near him. I'm sure she was the first person he saw walking over.
What did you do to Lysander? Did you kill him? Where is he?
I didn't kill him, and I don't know where he is.
I still detest you. You'll never see me again.
I won't follow her now. She's too angry, and I'm too tired and sad. I will sleep her for a short time.
What did you do? You put the love juice on the wrong person. Go and find Helena thinking why I put the love juice on this man's head.
I promise that I'll be good. Helena is coming here. The other Athenian man is imploring her to love him.
Let them come. They'll make a noise and that noise will wake him.
Then, two men will compete for Helena's love. This will be really fun.
I'm not lying, Helena. I love you. You're a lying villain. You don't love me. You love Hermia. No, I don't. I love you.
Oh, Elena, you are perfect. You are divine. You are my true love.
Oh no, you're both ridiculous me. Why are you so evil to me? Don't hurt Helena. I know that you really love Hermia. You can have Hermia's love because I love Helena now.
You can keep Hermia. I don't love her anymore. I love Helena again, and I always love her.
Lysander, I'm so happy to see you. Why did you leave me?
I left you because I love Helena and I detest you.
This can't be true.
I don't believe you. You are so evil. You think that you are my friend, but you are not.
What are you saying? I don't detest you.
Yes, you did this on purpose. You want to Lysander and Demetrius love me, but it's not true.
I don't understand what you're saying. I didn't do nothing.
I don't believe you, Hermia. You will never see me again. Please, stay, Elena. You are my life. I love you.
Helena, I love you more than Lysander does.
If that's true, Demetrius, let's leave the ladies and fight for Elena's love.
Let's go.
What are you doing, Lysander? Don't go.
Let me go.
Lysander, it's me, Hermia. You loved me when we went to sleep. Please tell me that everything is the same and that you love me.
I can't. I love Helena now.
I'm sorry for all this. You stole Lysander's heart. You're evil.
I'm tired for all these games. I'm going to return to Athens. Demetrius, I don't love Hermia anymore. Do you still want to fight for Elena's love? Follow me if you are not to fight her.
No, I won't follow you. I will go in front of you.
Don't go now, Helena. You're responsible for all this.
I don't want to be alone with you. You will try to hurt me.
Was this a mistake or did you plan it?
Believe me, my king, it was a mistake. I put the love juice on the eyelids of a young man with Athenian clothes. I didn't know that there were two young men with Athenian clothes in the room.
Well, now both men want to fight each other. You must fill the night sky with clouds and make it very dark. Then you must confuse both of them so that they don't fight each other. Use Lysander's voice to confuse Demetrius, and use Demetrius' voice to confuse Lysander. Later, they will fall asleep. Take. Put this for Lysander's eyelids while he's asleep. It's an antidote for the love juice. When he wakes up, he will be in love with Hermia again, and everything will be okay. I'm going to fight Titania and ask her for the Indian boy. She'll give him to me, and then I'll give her again.
Where are you, Demetrius?
I'm here. Where are you?
I will be with you immediately.
Then follow me.
Where are you hiding, Lysander? You are frightened.
No, Demetrius, you talk a lot but you're frightened to fight. Come and fight me. Follow my orders.
Demetrius will fast. I can't catch him and I can't continue. I will sleep here until morning and find him in the garden.
Come, you idiot. Why can't you catch me?
Where are you now?
I'm here.
You are ridiculing me. I won't follow you anymore. I prefer to wait until daily to fight you. I'm not too tired now.
I can return to Athens now. I'm too tired. I'm going to.
I'm so tired. I'm so sad. I can't walk anymore.
Sleep well. You will be in love with Hermia again when you wake. Everything will be okay.
For scene 1. Come and sit down, my love. Are you comfortable? Do you want to eat something? Do you want to listen to some music? Tell me what you want and I'll give it to you.
Your fire is not sleep. I want to sleep alone.
Then sleep in my arms, my love. Hurry, viva!
Welcome back, Pat. I've got something to tell you. My plan to get the Indian boy worked perfectly. I followed Titania and her new lover, and I waited for the right moment to ask for the boy. When I did, she agreed immediately. Now, I'm happy, I got the boy and I'm happy. Pat, mostly ask her. So he will wake up. They must go home immediately. But first, I have to give Titania the antidote for the lodges and wake her.
you were before. See things like you saw them before. And wake up, my sweet queen.
Oh, Veron, I had such a strange dream. I dreamed that I was in love with an elf.
There he is, there he is.
How did this happen? He's very ugly.
I'll tell you soon, but first we must make this afternoon normal again. We will be at the park and let the people remember tonight as a dream.
It's done, my lord.
Good. It's early morning. Soon it will be light. Titania, you and I are creatures of the night. We must go with the darkness to the other side of the world. Come, my queen.
Let's go, my lord. You can tell me what happened to me tonight while we travel.
This will be a beautiful morning for hunting. Go on and bring my dogs. My future wife must see my hunting dogs. Hmm? What's this? What are these people doing here? Why are they all sleeping?
My lord, it's my daughter, Hermia and Dimitri, Lisandra and Helena. You know them all. Why are they here together?
I guess Hermia is also. She must choose one of them today. That's correct, isn't it?
It is, my lord.
The 4 players must play their songs to waiting. Good morning, friends. What are you doing here? Lysander, I know that you and Dimitri are friends. Why were you all sleeping in the same place?
I don't know, my lord. I only know that I don't know how I came here. I only remember that Hermia and I came into this wood to escape from everything because we wanted to get married.
You heard Lisandro. Confess his crime, my lord. We must punish him. He didn't pay attention to your wishes and he tried to steal Hermia from Dimitri.
Please, my lord Theseus, listen to me. Helena told me about Lysander's plans. I was very hungry and let's follow her into the wood. Helena followed me also, but something was happening and it's difficult to explain it. I only know that my love of Hermia is disappeared. I love Helena now, and I want to marry her. Please, my lord Theseus, let Lysander marry Hermia and let Helena marry me.
Very well, Demetrius. You 4 are really fortunate to solve your love problems. We'll have 3 weddings, not 1. Let's all get married at the same time. Let's cancel the hunt. We must return to Athens to prepare the wedding ceremonies and the banquet.
Are we awake or are we still dreaming? I'm not sure. Was the Duke here?
Yes, he was. My father was also here. The Duke accepts my love for Lysander now. He also accepts that Demetrius will marry Helena.
We are all very fortunate.
We all saw the same thing, so we must be awake. Let's follow the Duke to Athens. We will talk about dreams. We will work.
Queens? Look! Snow! Where are you? Did you abandon me while I was sleeping? I had a very strange dream. I'm sure nobody had a dream like my dream. I speak to Queens. He'll write a ballad about it. I call it Bottom's Dreams, and I'll sing it at the end of the play for the Duke.
Act 4, Scene 2. Traveling. Did you go to Bottom's house? Did he come home last night?
No, he didn't. Nobody knows where he is.
We cannot play without him. We must cancel it.
You're right. Nobody in Athens can play Priamus as well as he can.
He's the most intelligent person in Athens.
He has also the best actor in Athens, and he has got a beautiful voice.
The Duke and 2 other noblemen got married a short time ago. We lost opportunity to become famous actors. It's very sad.
It's more than sad. It's a tragedy. Where's Bottom?
Good evening, my friend. Why do you all look so sad?
Bottom, it's good to see at last. Now, we can do our play for the Duke and his new wife.
Gentlemen, the Duke and his wife are having their wedding banquet now. Get your costumes and Max and me at the palace. We must all review our roles. In my opinion, the Duke will choose our play for the performance tonight because it is a sweet comedy. Be quick, we haven't got a lot of time.
Act 5, Scene 1. This is the lover story about last night in the woods. Is very strange.
Lovers have got very big imaginations. Their stories are more fantasy than true. Welcome, friends. Illustrate. What entertainment we will see for tonight?
Here is a list of the options for tonight's entertainment.
A tedious short play about young Pyramus and his love Thisbe. A very tragic comedy. Tedious and short. Funny and tragic. This sounds interesting. Is it a good play to illustrate?
It's short because it's only half 10 words. It's tedious because it's 10 words too long. The writing is horrible. The acting is horrible. Is it tragic? Well, I cried when I saw Pyramus kill himself in a rehearsal. But I cried because I was lost him so much.
Who are the actors?
The actors are Athenian artisans that they have no...
You see this play?
No, my lord, this play isn't for you. It's terrible.
I want to see this play. There is nothing wrong with a simple play with simple actors. Call them into the palace. Ladies and gentlemen, take your seats.
Why do you want to see this play? It sounds terrible.
Don't worry, sometimes uneducated people are more eloquent than their educated friends are.
The actors are going to drink, my lord.
Let him enter.
3.
Ladies and gentlemen, this man, Pyramus, and this beautiful lady, Thisbe, this man is an heavy wall. The wall separates Pyramus and Thisbe. They can only speak to each other through a hole in the wall. The man with a lamp is the moonlight. He's important because the lovers meet under the moonlight to escape from Athens together. This is a horrible lion. The lion frightens Thisbe when she comes to meet Pyramus in the wood. Her cape falls to the ground when she runs away from the lion. Then Pyramus arrives and finds the cape in the lion's mouth. He thinks that Thisbe is dead, so he kills himself with her dagger. Finally, Thisbe arrives and finds the dead Pyramus and kills himself with his dagger. You will see now the play.
Did the lion speak? What do you think?
Yeah, I think a lot of stupid creatures will speak tonight.
My name is Nav, and I'm representing the wall. This is the hole in the wall. Pyramus and Thisbe speak to each other through it.
That is a very intelligent move, isn't it?
Yeah. It's the most intelligent wall in Athens.
Pyramus is walking into the wall. Will he see his lovers on the other side of the wall?
Oh, horrible night. Oh, dark black night. Perhaps Thisbe forgot our plans. And you, dear war, you sweet and lovely war, you separate her father's land from my land. Oh, sweet and lovely war, I want to see through your hole to Thisbe's land. Where is the hole? Thank you, kind war. Oh no, Thisbe isn't there.
You horrible war. You lied to me.
In my opinion, the world should answer him.
No, my lord. He can't answer me because Thisbe enters now, and I'll see her through the hole in the wall. Here she comes.
Oh, whoa. I detest you because you separate me from my lover, Pyramus.
I hear a voice. I'm going to look again through the hole to see my Thisbe's face. Thisbe, kiss me through the hole in the wall.
I'm kissing you through a hole in the wall, but where are your lips?
I don't want to kiss you through a wall now. I want to meet you and kiss you in person. Will you meet me in the wood immediately?
Yes, I will.
There, my job finished, so I'll leave. Good night.
This is very stupid. Ladies, don't be frightened. I'm not a real lion. My real name is Snap. I am playing the role of a lion.
That is very gentle lion, isn't it? Yes, it's a very friendly lion.
This represents the moon. I am man of the moon. I'm tired of this moon. I hope it changes soon.
This is coming.
This is the wood, but where is my love? Ah!
The lion roared well.
This is Robert.
The moon shone well.
Thank you, Moon, for your sweet light. It will help me to see Thisbe. Wait! This is Thisbe's cape. Oh no! A lion killed my love. She is... No, she was the freest woman in the world. I don't want to live without her. I'm dying. Leave me, Moon. I'm dead now.
Are you bleeding, my love? Oh no, you're dead. I'll cover your eyes with my lips. My eyes are full of tears. Goodbye, friends. This is the end of Thisbe. Adieu, adieu, adieu.
Build the bury and the moon. Beat the lion and the moon. Bury the dead lovers.
Yes, the wall will also help.
The wall can help because it doesn't exist anymore. Now, do you want to hear an epilogue or see us dance?
An epilogue isn't necessary. Thank you. The play was quite clear. Now, please do a short dance and then we will go to bed.
It's past midnight, spirits. It's time to celebrate the happiness of these newly married couples and protect them while they are asleep.
Listen to me, my fairies. You all must bless and protect the 3 newly married couples in this palace. Let their future babies be healthy. Meet me at sunrise and we'll live together.
Good night, dear friends. Good night, dear friends. I hope you enjoy your story. I hope that you enjoy your story. We didn't intend to offend you or insult you, but if we did, please think of our story as a dream, a midsummer's sweet midsummer's night's dream.